Hi, my name is Angel from Wolfeye.de. Welcome to the new video. And this is the story of a small marketing company with 20 employees they have, and most of them working remotely in this particular case. And over time, the management noticed, before I show you here the dashboard, over time the management noticed something was strange. Deadlines were slipping, meetings ran longer, and overall the output was slowly declining. Yeah. Nobody could really explain why, and everyone seemed busy. Everyone was online, so to speak. Yeah, and he called me. He decided that he was going to install Wolfeye Remote Screen. Basically, what I will show you here is what they got. Yeah, but first I will tell you what happened. Yeah, they installed the Wolfeye Remote Screen software on each of the employees' computers, yeah, and they were finally able to see what was really going on, what was really happening. Yeah, the live screen view revealed that while some employees were focused and efficient, others were spending hours switching between unrelated browser tabs, sometimes even watching YouTube or scrolling through personal websites, booking some personal things like vacation and things like that. Yeah. So it wasn't about catching people doing wrong things. This is very important. That's not what they did. They did not present to the lazy employees, hey, look what I found out about you. No, no, no. It was about seeing patterns that they couldn't see before, so that they later could change their processes much better. And this is something that we really, really recommend. Do not reveal the surveillance. Yeah. Um, So they look deeper into using Wolfeye Remote Screen and especially using the screenshot history. Maybe until now I show you how the dashboard looks like. One that you see is if you log into the dashboard, this is the demo dashboard, by the way, you will see for each of the computers, in this case it's 5 computers that Wolfeye has been installed, and this is a demo. This is a demo, so what you see is only a picture, so to speak, but you will see the live screen of that particular computer, and live screen means it is a screenshot made every 2 seconds, every 3 seconds, and that's what you will see here changing all the time in the live computer screen. So that's what they did, and the possibility that you have, and now I come to the next point, is you not only, by the way, you can change the columns here. Yeah, you can change here the columns so that you see bigger screens. Yeah, and you can right mouse click on that link that says history, right mouse click, and then a screenshot history opens. This is of course the demo dashboard, but the screenshot history opens, and here they were able to look deeper in what happened. Yeah, by reviewing the screenshots over several days, they realized that most distractions happened in the same time window, late afternoons between 3 and 5 p.m. Yeah? And those hours were full of idle time, short breaks, background distractions, and they repeated every single day. Yeah? Instead of blaming anyone, the managers decided to change the workflow. That's the important thing. The insights that you get. Yeah? They introduced short task cycles, yeah, focused work blocks. They also shared they basically were able to see what was going on. Yeah. After they changed the processes, also attributing they changed who the tasks. Yeah. The employees that had one task before had other tasks later. Yeah. And within 4 weeks, the company saw a clear improvement. Idle time dropped by 25%. Task completion rates went up, and overall productivity increased by more than 30%, all because they finally had visibility, not to control people, not to face them, hey, you have not been working, but to manage better, to manage better, to plan the workflow better. Yeah. So this is what happened. So if you would like to install Wolfeye Remote Screen in your computers to have the overview of what's happening on your company, on your business computers, come to our website, wolfeye.de. Come to our website, go to Start Free Trial here, and here you can book a demo session. In that demo session, we will do a Google Meet session, you and me. And in this Google Meet session, I will make a quick demo of Wolfeye Remote Screen for you. I will share my screen. I will give you access to my dashboard of Wolfeye Remote Screen, and you will be able to see my live screen. You will see exactly what you will get if you install it on your computers, so that you will see it in live. After that, if you want, I can guide you installing Wolfeye on one or two of your computers. If you would like to, I guide you. You share your screen with Google Meet, and I guide you. Do this, do that. It's 2 minutes, basically 2 minutes to install it. And after that, you will be able to quickly set up the Wolfeye Remote Screen software by yourself for the remaining computers. And after that, you can use Wolfeye Remote Screen for a few weeks to try it out, to test it out. Use it a few weeks to know and to see if it works for you, if you like it. Of course, you will get the dashboard to your live screens here. Exactly, that is what you will get. And and how is the installation? I said, if you want, I guide you through installation. Basically, honestly, the installation process is like this. The file that you will download, that we will download together, is this file that you see here. You double click it, and the installation setup opens. That's it. It's installed. You see how fast it is. And after that, you must only click two buttons. The green button that says share screen, you click it, and he already creates, he's sharing the link. And the stealth mode. You hit stealth mode, and the software hides itself. And will run with Windows. From this moment on, this software will appear on your dashboard. You will see the live screen of this computer on your Wolfeye Remote Screen dashboard. So I'm very happy if you book a demo session with me, and we can install it on all your computers. I hope this helps. We'll see us in the next video.